Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Like to tinker with smart home gear? The NSPanel Pro from Sonoff, Sonoff, is a slightly under 4-inch touchscreen that can be used in wall, replacing a wall switch, or go into a cradle for the nightstand or desk. It can control a wide range of smart home devices with support for Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Bluetooth, and technology from eWeLink, where Chief Operating Engineer WeiHua Wang says,
We have a Zigbee bridge built in this control panel. They can add any devices following the Zigbee protocol.
We've seen the panel selling for as little as $80, delivering lots of value. It works with smart speakers too. Find more at sonoff.tech.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.